Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the family law class. I'm dealing the Muslim law and where I am dealing the part or unit inheritance. Now you read what I posted on the screen so that I could know that you are with me and I am with you and both are traveling in the same boat to reach to the destination. Yes, read.
Good evening. Women's inheritance in Islam, in discrimination or justice. Professor Dr. M.S. Hussain.
Yes, so women's inheritance in Islam. It's one of the book it is there. But here we will deal because yesterday we dealt up to the some point, but we have to deal from today daughter. That is we have to deal. But before I could deal this one, I would like to ask you this thing. If you give me the answer for this one, I will give you the 100 rupees immediately. But don't try to outsmart it by typing on the smartphone. Anyone? Mirat. Hurry up. No one can give the answer for this question except the Professor Hussain student. You ask in your classmate, you said that what is Mirat? They will say, sir, we don't know. But you are typing on the smartphone, I believe, but read now what it is there on the screen. Read.
Mirat means inheritance to be shared from the property of the deceased among his successors. The study of Mirat in Sharia gives rules as to who inherits and who is to be inherited and what shares to go to the heirs.
Even though I taught this Muslim law more than 2 years, even myself did not know what is Mirat. Then how could you expect a student will know what is Mirat? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
See, I was searching some other thing actually, but I found this immediately. Then I said, what is this? Then I found, this is the so and so. But I don't know how should I pronounce it, but I can say it is a Mirat or Myrat. Because here I saw the pronunciation dictionary, but I did not find it. Mirat means, let us see, let me try. Because each one word, when you learnt it, you have to know its pronunciation also. Yes, no, the pronunciation is not given over there. Mirat or Merat, but I can give the tomorrow because I can ask the one Mufti and he will give me how it should be pronounced. Merat means inheritance to be shared from the property of the deceased among his successor. That is the inheritance. And Mirat in Arabic language. And you ask your student, your classmate, what are MIRTAH? Then they will ask you, have you heard the Professor Hussain class? Otherwise, it is only the Professor Hussain deals such a thing, but no other man can do it. It is an open challenge, they will say you. Okay, now let us come to our point. Daughters, we are there because I put the here. What is this symbol which I put it over here, which I am highlighting? Anyone?
Sir?
What is the symbol which I put it over here on the screen after daughter, which I highlighted?
Asterisk.
Appreciate. The seventh one is daughters. Now let us see the daughter share. Number one, the share of one daughter is, see, I word the word, one daughter I said already. The share of one daughter is 1/2 or half. And two, if there are two or more daughters, the share is 2/3. If the two or more than two daughters are there, the share is becomes 2/3. To be divided equally among them. Then the if one daughter is half, if two is or more than two is 2/3. Suppose there are three daughters are there. Now you tell me. I told you the mnemonics, the hint I already gave you.
Three
Two by
daughters also
three.
2/3 shares. 2/3 share is divided among them. Three.
You give me the answer.
2/3. 2/3.
If the three sisters are there, each one how much they get it? I gave you a simple equation to you. 2 by
2,
3.
sir.
3 multiply the denominator.
Ah,
3 multiply the denominator. How it becomes?
2 by 3, 2 by 9, sir.
Then over 2 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 9. Now you take the LCM. LCM is 9. Then you take it 1, 1, 1. Then it becomes how much? Again it has come 2 by 3. Are you following me?
Okay, sir.
Then only it is right. What okay, sir? Why you say okay, sir? As if that you are giving the grace period to me. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into 3. Then I go you automatically denominator you multiply it. Then it becomes how much? It is a 2 by 9. It's a 2 by 9. It becomes, I told you the 2 by 9. Now 2 by 9 means each share will be 2 by 9. Let us see. Let us see whether I am right or not. 2 by 9, each share is 2 by 9 and 2 by 9. Then if you club it, you can club it means you make the addition it. Plus you make the place of it. Plus you make the place. Now what is the LCM? What is the LCM? 9. The LCM is 9. So 9 into 1, then how many it goes? Then it becomes 2. Then also once plus 2 plus 2. Let us see whether it is. Then it total becomes how much?
6.
Total becomes
6.
6 by 6 by 6 by LCM. You tell me. 6 by LCM. What is the LCM for the 2 plus 9? 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. Oh, you don't know. The 9 is the LCM. 9s are 1, 9s are 1, 9s are 1. Then everything is 9. 9 is the LCM. So
9.
it becomes the 6 by 9. 6 by 9 means how
2
much?
by 3.
2 by 3. You can 2 goes away. 2 by 3 day and here 2 by 3. When you club it, then become 2 by 3. That means each daughter share is
2 by 3.
there are 3 daughters. If the one daughter is share is 1 by 2, if the more than 1 is the 2 by 3, when the 2 by 3 means 3 daughters are there, that means 2 by 3
2
into
by
3, just multiply the denominator with the 3, it becomes 9, then each daughter will get
2 by 9.
2 by 9 and 2 by 9 and 2 by 9 means one daughter 2 by 9, second daughter 2 by 9, third daughter 2 by 9. That is the share of them. Suppose if you club it, you have to get again 2 by 3. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the thing. LCM. It is simple mathematics. You need not worry it that much. Okay, now if there are more than one daughter, two daughter or more than two daughters are there, two or more than two are there, then 2 by 3 to be divided equally among them. Equally among them means the same amount they will get. Suppose the two daughters are there, then how much it becomes? Only two daughters are there. How much each daughter will get it?
2 by 3 into 2 by 6, sir. 2 by 6.
You multiply the denominator with the 2, it becomes 6.
2
Then
by
you can
6.
say 2 by 6 by 2 by 6. Okay? 2 by
2
6
by
by 2
6
by 6.
plus 2 by 6 will
Then
come
it
2 by
becomes
3.
2 to 1 goes now 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 it becomes. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that is a simple mathematics. For that, you need not be a BSc MPC. Are you following me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because I am BSc MPC. Okay, come to the third point. Daughter together with son. Again, daughter together with son is treated as agnatic heir and inheritance as a residuary. That is another point. One technique is here. Okay, let me stop this so that daughter together with a son. Suppose the daughter is there and son is there and treated as a agnatic hairs and inheritance as a residuary. At the time, he will receive as a residuary also, because he is a, number one, he is a Quranic sayer. Number two, again he will become the residuary. Let me see in the example when you come to the daughter, that example gives a very clear picture to you. I will give the, I will also provide you the pictorial example, because I downloaded it yesterday. Then I prepared it for one thing. But let me finish this thing, then I'll go to the first one. Okay, eighth is son's daughter. Son's daughter. The son's daughter inherits only in the absence of. The son's daughter will inherit only in the absence of, number one, two or more daughters. If the two or more daughters absence means the daughter, son's daughter will inherit it. Number two, B, son. Absence of son, I told you. Son's daughters, absence of son. Whose son? Prepositus son. Okay. C, higher sons are, means the higher son's son, anyone would be there, then absence of them. D, two or more higher sons daughters, again sons daughters, two or more would be there, then absence of it, the son's daughter inherit only in the absence. So in other words, son's daughter is entirely excluded from inheritance in presence of the above relation. Suppose two or more daughters are there to the propositors, then automatically the son's daughter would be
Excluded.
excluded. The same thing, if above one is there, then son's daughter would be, because she comes under the second class hairs. Because the near hairs will eclipse the far away hairs. I told you, when the grandmother is there and mother is there, can the grandmother will get the share? Tell me. I told you, when mother is there, grandmother will be excluded. When father is
Yes,
there,
sir.
father's father will be excluded. And here also, if the son's daughter would be excluded when two or more daughters to the propositors. And son's daughter will be excluded when there is a propositor's son. And son's daughter is excluded when the higher son would be there. Propositor's son's daughter will be excluded when the two or more higher daughters are there. So that is the thing, because first class will eclipse the second class, and second class eclipse the third class. Third class means here third types of the hairs. That is the meaning. Okay, now the number two, in the absence of the above relation, the son's daughter get 1/2 if she is single. If the son's daughters are more, again 2/3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, appreciate. It is like a mathematical calculation, you have to use it. Suppose, thank God, you don't have the problem questions in your Shatavahana. If it is the University of Dar es Salaam, it would be there. There would be the problem question compulsory. Yes?
Problem questions is there, sir. Introduced recently from our batch.
That is not compulsory. Is it compulsory?
Compulsory, sir. Compulsory,
Okay.
sir. Section 3
Okay, I
questions
appreciate.
compulsory.
I appreciate. Because I will show you one question paper of the University of Dar es Salaam, and you may wonder, because one compulsory question one should have to do out of roughly total 5 you have to do. Out of 5, at least two are problem questions. Only one is a memorized question. We will say memorized question. That is essay question called memorized question. And one is short answer questions. So that was the style of fixing.
Sir, we should write 4 questions short, one answer essay, and one problem.
Okay.
Problem carries 20 marks. Problem.
Yeah. Here, for preparing my one question paper, I need 3 days to prepare one question paper. Because that much stuff we have to make it out. You should not be repetition again. And that thing should be framed, which we taught in the class also. Okay, let us see that you will get it, don't worry. If son's daughter is together with one daughter, the share of son's daughter is 1/6. Whether such son's daughter is a single or more, for example, if there is a daughter and two son's daughters, see, propositors having one daughter and two son's daughters, the share of the son's daughter would be 1/6, which would be divided equally among them. That is, each son's daughter would get it. I will show you that the same thing in animation, the pictorial. When I show in the pictorial, you will easily understand the shares. Okay, the son's daughter together with the son's son treated as a agnatic heir and inherit the residuary. So the ninth is full sister. Full sister means same father,
Same mother.
I appreciate. The share of one full sister is 1/2. The share of one sister is full sister is 1/2. When number two, the share of the two or more full sisters, then each sister 2/3 will get it. Then if the two sisters are there, 2/6. If the four sisters are there, 4/12. So that is the division would be there. Each will get it. Just how many sisters are there, you that number you divide, you multiply with the denominator, and that would be the share of each sister automatically. Then if the full sister is together with the full brother, again it varies. She becomes a agnatic heir and inherits as a residuary. Suppose if the full sister is together with the full brother is there, she becomes an agnatic heir and inherits as a residuary, and she becomes a residuary at the time when the brother is there, the full brother is there. Now again, she will say the fourth condition, a full sister is excluded. A full sister is excluded from inheritance in the presence of child. A full sister automatically she will be excluded when there is a child to the propositors. Are you getting me? A full sister is excluded from inheritance if in the presence of a child. Means if the child is there for the propositors, the full sister will not get anything. Again, a full sister will be excluded if the child's of a son is there, how low soever it may be. The full sister will be excluded when the father is there. A full sister will be excluded when father's father is there. So, because father is very close to the propositors.
Propositors.
So that is why they are excluded. But sister come in the second category class. Full sister. Are you following me? Because
Yes, sir.
when mother is there in between, then they will become second automatically. Because sister come from where? From the same mother, where the propositor there. So mother intervention is there. When the mother intervention is there, they will come second class automatically. Affinity. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Mother interference should not be there. Then they will come on the first class. Okay, now let us see the consanguine sister. The share of one's consanguine sister is 1/2. I told you what is consanguine. Yes, tell me.
Same father, different mother.
Very good. So the share of the two are more concerned either each sister 2/3. If the four are there, if the four sisters are there, then 2/12 automatically it will become. With one full sister, the share of the consanguine sister is 1/6, whether single or more. With one full sister is there, the share of the consanguine sister is 1/6, whether single or more. That is another condition. The consanguine sister is excluded from inheritance in the presence of, even a consanguine sister also excluded, even a full sister also excluded, even a uterine sister also excluded when propositors having the child. Are you following me? In the same way, child of sons, how low soever it may be. Our father is there, automatically they will come, consanguine sister will be eliminated. Father is there, she is excluded. Or one full brother is there, then she will be excluded. Even brother, but sister is there. Of course, full sister is there, they could not be excluded. Full sister, the share of the consanguine is 1/6. They will give 1/6, they will get. If the full sister is there. With the consanguine brother, the consanguine sister becomes agnatic heirs and inherits like a residuary. Of course, the consanguine brother or the consanguine sisters, automatically they become agnatic heirs and inherit as a residuary. So they will inherit as a residuary also. Then the last one is, no, last one, there is the 12th, the last one. Uterine brother. Uterine brother means you know it. Same mother,
Same mother, different father.
different father. The share of one's uterine brother is 1/6. If there are 2 or more uterine brothers are there, the share will be 1/3 to be equally divided among them. And uterine brother is excluded when the inheritance of the presence of the child is, I told you, consanguine brother, uterine brother, and full sister, they will be excluded when the propositors having the child. Or child of sons, how low soever may be. Child of son, even child of son also there, it's enough. Our father, our father's father, yes, automatically they will be excluded because they are first class hairs. They are near hairs. The near hairs will eclipse the far hairs. So uterine sister. Again, uterine sister means same mother, different
Father.
father. The share and the condition under which an uterine sister inherits property is the same as that of a uterine brother. Same uterine brother, whatever thing would be there, that will be applicable to the thing. The share of one uterine sister is 1/6. If the 2 or more would be there, then the share is 1/3 to be divided equally among them. 1/3 will be divided if the 2 or more would be there. Then if there are 6 are there, then 1/18 it becomes. The uterine sister is excluded, I told you, inheritance in the presence of a child of a son, household or where may, and here father, not here, deaf here, father or father. It is a father and father's father, grandfather. They excluded, they may be there. So allotment of the share, let me see one example here. I will show the pictorial example also later, if possible in this class, if not later class. Yes, now illustration, let me see it. A Sunni Muslim dies, leaving behind a HS or leaving behind a father, number one, father's
Living
father, yes,
sir. HIS.
yeah, HL, how low soever maybe, HLS,
HIS, sir. His.
how low soever maybe, HIS,
HIS, sir. His.
HIS, HIS, how low, not HI, H, how low soever maybe, how high
Sir,
soever maybe.
sir. His.
Hmm?
His. He's leaving behind his father's father, sir. His.
Yeah, one is lower, one is higher. Here, that's the thing. Descendant and ascendant here. But here is father's fathers. Not is the not descendant, ascendants they are. They are ascendants. Descendant means lower level. Ascendant means upper level. Father's fathers is a descendant or ascendant.
Ascendant, sir.
Ascendant. Then how high soever that is. How low no, how high. How soever, that is the meaning. Not how low soever. Low means who? Down. Sons is the low.
Sons.
Descendant. That is the descendant comes. So here something is missed. Fathers means is the ascendant. And mothers means again, mother also come under the mother's mother. They come again they are ascendants only. And the 2 daughters mean they are descendants. And 1 son mean descendant, that is. Are you following me? So how many are there total? 1 father, 2 father's father, 3 mother, 4 mother's mother, 5 2 daughters, and 6 son's daughter. But here I can say definitely when father is alive, father will be excluded. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Then mother is alive, here mothers are excluded. See, now I excluded two, all of them.
Yes, sir.
Is it or not? Now who are left over there? Father is left over there, then mother is left over there, and two daughters are left over there, but one son is there. Now let us see two sons and one son, two daughters and one son to the one son's daughter are. How could you get the son's daughter? Already two daughters are here. Huh? I think the son's daughter also excluded. Let us see what is the allotment of the respective shares would be as under. Number one, father 1/6 because there is a child or daughter. If suppose the child is not there, how much the father is going to get? 1/3. Or 1/3 or 1/2? You check
1 by
it.
3, sir. 1 by 3.
1/3 father would get. Because child is there, then automatically the father will get 1/6. Is it clear? Which is child means two daughters is having. Two daughters means child, no? Child or no child? Two daughters means they are come under the child or no child?
Come under the child.
Yes, I said child, either may be daughters or son, doesn't make any difference. But here, son's daughter, but son is not there. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Son's daughter
Following.
means son is there,
Son is not there.
son not there, but daughter there. But when son's daughter comes means she is not far away from the propositors. Okay, let us see that now. The allotment here, now number one, father 1/6 means because child is there or daughters are there. Okay, 1/6. Fathers is excluded with father. I already told you this thing. When father is alive, father will be excluded. Okay, mother 1/6 because there are children are there. So mother will get 1/6. If not, the mother will get 1/3. I believe. Is it mother will get 1/3? Yes, 1/3. Yes,
Yes, sir.
because there are children
Yes.
are there, that way she will get 1/6. Okay. Mothers, I already told you, is excluded. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Mother's two daughters now we will say. The mother's two daughters. Who say the two daughters? Yeah, two daughters. Mother by mother. And the mother's mother is
Mother's
excluded by the
also full
mother.
stop, sir.
Yes, yeah, full stop here. Do. Then
Mother's
two
mother
daughters.
excluded by mother. Next.
Yes, that is a different. Two daughters means one daughter means 1/2. Two daughter means 2/3.
2
Are you following
by
me?
3.
2/3 plus 2/3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Each one will get it equal. Is it or not? 2/3 plus 2/3. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
3. 2 daughters, 2 by 3.
2/6
One
by
share,
2/6.
2 by 6, sir.
Ah, yes, sir. You are saying when 2 is made, multiply the 2 with the denominator.
By 2
Denominator
by
is
6, sir.
3. So 2/6
2
by
by
2/6. That is the comes over there. The son's daughter, see, I already told you, because son's daughter comes to the second category or third category. So they are excluded by the two daughters. Are you following me? Because son is
I
there.
thought she son's daughter will
No.
get son's
Because the
share.
daughter is there. The daughters are there, no.
Okay.
If son would be there, the situation is varies. Son is there, the situation varies again. Because son gets
For
1/2.
for his
And daughter will
doctrine
get
of representation.
yeah. So
Sir, for Hindus, doctrine of representation applies if father is not allowed
oh,
for
don't worry,
children,
don't
sir.
worry, don't worry. Now later we'll see doctor of representation and strip presentation. Later we'll see it. But time being, we'll make it out here like this. Of course, here the automatically with the sun here per strip is not there. It is a Hanafi law. Sunni law, there is a strip is not there. Are you following me?
Okay, sir.
Then what is
Yes, sir.
doctor of representation comes? One is strip, another is. See, I told you two things. One is representation, one is strip. In representation, Automatically, son goes, no, it goes to the daughters automatically. Means the son's daughter is not going to get anything. But only Shiala, whatever the son comes over there among the sharing the both, as if they are alive, at that time the son's daughter will get it in the Shiala. Okay? But here, the son's daughter will be excluded. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then automatically we already said how much the shares of each one. Mother 1/6, father 1/6,
1 by
two daughters 2/6 and 2/6 over.
2 by 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. 2 by 6 plus 2 by 6.
One animation I will show you so that you will feel very happy. Here the same example I have given over here. See, after the allotment of the respective shares, see, again it should come to 1. Please note the point. If it not come to 1, again the doctrine of Rad and doctrine of Owl should be used over there. Okay, now we will see that after allotment of the respective shares to each of them, the sum total of the shares are 1/6 father, 1/6 mother, 2/3 two daughters. Is it not? If the two or more than two
Yes, sir.
daughters are there, no, the two or more than two daughters are there, 2/3 is equally distributed. That means 2/3 only. Okay, now you take the LCM. How much the LCM? 663. What is the LCM? అయ్యా 3 2 6 3 2 6 3 1 3 2 6 6 2 12 ఎంత ఎల్సిఎం 6 అవుతుందా 3 అవుతుందా 6 అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు ఇది 6 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి వన్స్ ఆర్ వన్స్ సో 1 హియర్ 6 ఆర్ వన్స్ హియర్ 2 మీన్స్ 3 ప్లస్ and 3 plus 1 plus 1 how much 2 6 3 2 4 2/3 no I will make it out. This is not the way. See something wrong there. What is wrong? I will tell you.
Sir, 1 plus 1 plus 3 అంటే 4 వస్తుంది సార్ 1 plus 1 plus 4 టోటల్ 6/6 సార్
4 రానంటే మరి ఇక్కడ no something we made a mistake.
1/6 plus 1/6.
Yes, 4. 3 into 6, 3 times 2 times go, 2 into 2, 4. Because 4 plus 1 plus 1 means 6, 6/6 means 1. Yes, you are right. ఎందుకంటే పేపర్ తీసుకుంటే ఈజీగా అయిపోతూ ఉండే మనకు కానీ ఒక డజన్ మ్యాటర్ బికాజ్ ద 6 LCM is there, so it goes into 2 times. 2 into 2, 4. The 4 plus 1 plus 1, because here one time it goes, then 1 into 1, 1 only. Here 6, one time goes to the LCM, so 1 into 1, 1 only. But here 3, 6, 2 times go into the LCM, so 2 into 4, 4. That means 6/6, 1. Then there is no doctrine of owl and doctrine of red would be used. When the doctrine of owl and doctrine of red can be used, when it is less than one rule, more than one rule would be, we will apply it. Now I will show you the same thing in animation so that you could understand what is one I prepared already. So I will show you which one I prepared. Let's see. Very good. Yeah, husband's death animation. Yes, one I prepared it. Wife is a sharer in case of a husband death. Is it or not? Is
Yes,
it or
sir.
not? Wife is a sharer in case of a husband death. Okay. Now here I have shown when a Muslim dies, there are 4 duties. What are the 4 duties which need to be performed? These are number 1, first and foremost, payment of the funeral expenses. Are you following me? Are you following me? Bhaktullara, are you following me? Say yes. Are you hearing me? Yeah, the power is there and my everything there. There is something wrong with your mobile. Yes. Are you following me?
Sir, till now voice is not audible, sir.
No, my voice
Sir,
is
1
very much
minute.
audible. Your mobile data is not proper. My voice, because I saw my Wi-Fi is very much working over there, and you are only that is palpitating. Your microphone is palpitating, going and coming, going and coming. That means something wrong with your mobile. So number one, payment of the funeral expense would be borne first. Next, payment of or his or her debts, whatever the debts would be there, it should be given. And next is if there is any legacy, means execution of wills are there, that is called legacy. If the wills are there, the wills should be covered over there. After deducting the funeral expenses, after deducting the deceased debts, after deducting the legal legacies in the form of a will, then whatever the portion will be left over there, that portion will be devolved for the inheritance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, classes of hairs, I already told you. Number Quranic hairs. Quranic hairs are those hairs who are entitled to get a prescribed or specified share from the heritable property. What is the heritable property? How do you get the heritable property? After the deduction of the funeral expenses, after the deduction of the prepositous debts, after the deduction of the legacies, means which he executed in the form of a will, then after deducting everything, whatever the amount would be there, that would be the heritable property. Next, residuaries. I already told you what are the residuaries. Residuaries are those heirs who inherit only the residue of the property after the allotment of the respective shares to the Quranic shares. If nothing would be left, then residuary is not going to get anything. Then the distant kindred, I already told you, but here again I meant the person related to the propositors through blood, but neither included in the Quranic heirs nor the residuaries is called the distant kindred. So wife share, let us see, wife share. What is the wife share here? The wife gets 1/4 if there is no child. If the child there is a child, the child of son, how low soever, and she will get how much? She will get how much?
1/8, sir.
1/8. If the wife gets 1/8, if there is a child or child sons, how low soever. No child, 1/4. Child, 1/8. That is to say, in the absence of children, the wife share is,
1/4.
and in the presence of the children, the wife share is
1/8.
8. Now I will show in the pictorial form. See, this is the picture form. No child, how much?
1/4.
Who died?
Husband.
Husband is called?
Propositus.
Yes. Then who is surviving?
Wife.
Only wife. Then no child means no descendant. And no ascendant also. Father కూడా లేడు అక్కడ, పైన పైన ఉంటాడు ఫాదర్. సన్ అంటే కింద ఉంటాడు, డాటర్ ఉంటే కింద ఉంటుంది, సిస్టర్ అంటే పైన ఉంటుందా కింద ఉంటుందా? సిస్టర్ అంటే
సిస్టర్ కింద ఉంటా సార్.
కింద ఉంటుందా సిస్టర్? డిసెండెంట్ ఆ సిస్టర్ పక్కకు ఉంటుంది, సిస్టర్ వైఫ్ పక్కకు ఉంటుంది. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్
Sir, in this picture, no father, no mother, no children. Then the wife.
At that instance, 1/4 అన్నట్టు means no ascendant, no descendant, no sibling. సిబ్లింగ్ అంటే ఎవరండి? బ్రదర్స్ అండ్ సిస్టర్స్ టు ద ప్రపోజిటర్స్, నాట్ సిబ్లింగ్. హస్బెండ్ అని ఎవరు అలా అక్క చెల్లెళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు ఇక్కడ. ఆర్ యు ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ? సే yes. Are you following me? Say yes.
Sir, now for 1 minute, the voice is not
It
audible,
is your
sir.
problem. It is not my problem, because I will show you the record.
Sir, my doubt is, in this picture, no father, no mother, no children, no sister, brother. Only wife is present, no children also. the wife gets 1/4, then where will the 3/4 property will go?
మేడం గారు ఇంకా ఇప్పుడే ఈత నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. ఎక్కడ? కుంటలో నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం ఈత ఇప్పుడు. కుంట నుండి ఎక్కడ పోవాలా మనం? రివర్‌కి పోవాలా. రివర్ నుండి ఎక్కడికి పోవాలా? లేక్‌కి పోవాలా. లేక్ నుండి ఎక్కడికి పోవాలా? సీకి పోవాలా. సీ నుండి ఎక్కడికి పోవాలా? ఓషన్‌కి పోవాలా. అదే. ఇది ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఐ యామ్ షోయింగ్ యూ. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఆర్ చిల్డ్రన్ ద వైఫ్ షేర్ ఈస్ సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ చిల్డ్రన్ ఉన్నది అనుకుందాం కాసేపటికి.
Okay, okay, sir.
ఇక్కడ అనుకుందాం కాసేపటికి. చిల్డ్రన్ ఉన్నది అనుకుందాం కాసేపటికి.
1/8, sir. Wife will get.
1/8 అవుతుంది. అది పిక్టోరియల్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఒకటి చూపెడతాను అన్నా నేను. మనం ఇంకా ఏబిసిడీల దగ్గరనే ఉన్నాం మేడం గారు. ఇంకా ఏం పోలే ఎటు. స్టిల్ వీఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ విత్ ద ఏబిసిడి ఓన్లీ, నాట్ సెంటెన్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్. సెంటెన్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్ వరకు పోలే నేను. ఇప్పుడు ఒక చిన్నగా పోతాయి. ఆఫ్టర్ సంథింగ్ వన్ ఐ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఇట్ టు షో యూ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. దెన్ అనదర్ ఆల్సో ఐ ప్రిపేర్డ్. లెట్ మీ చెక్ ఇట్ వేర్ ఐ ప్రిపేర్డ్ లైక్ దిస్. డవర్ మెహర్ నో. ఎస్, హస్బెండ్ షేర్. షేరర్స్ ఎంత ఉంటారండి? మొత్తం 12 షేర్స్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ద హౌ
Well, sir.
డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాపర్టీ అండ్ ద ముస్లిం లా హస్బెండ్ షేర్ చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ. ఇంతకుముందు ఏమో వైఫ్ షేర్ చూసాం. ఇజ్ ఇట్ నాట్?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు హస్బెండ్ షేర్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఏమున్నది? వెన్ ఏ పర్సన్ ముస్లిం డైస్ దెర్ ఆర్ 4 డ్యూటీస్ విచ్ నీడ్ టు బి పెర్ఫార్మ్డ్. అదే మళ్ళీ మొదట ఏది ఫైనల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఇచ్చేసేయాలా, దెన్ ద డెట్ షుడ్ బి క్లియర్ ఓవర్ దేర్, దెన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ షుడ్ బి క్లియర్ ఓవర్ దేర్, దెన్ ద డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ ద రిమైనింగ్ అమౌంట్ అమంగ్ ద హెయిర్స్ ఇట్ విల్ గో. అయితే మళ్ళీ ఏమైంది? పేమెంట్ ఆఫ్ అదే ఇందాక చెప్పింది పెరెంటల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ సో అండ్ సో ఫోర్త్. నౌ let us see the husband gets 1/2 if there is no child or child of son low whatsoever. If the child, husband gets 1/4 if there are is a child. This is to say that in the absence of children, the husband share is 1/2, where in the presence of the children, the husband share is 1/4. Husband share ఇక్కడ చూపెట్టినాను చూడండి. వైఫ్ ప్రొపాసిటస్, హస్బెండ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు, పక్కకి ఎవరు లేరు. ఓకే, పైన ఎవరు లేరు. దట్ నో అసెండెంట్స్, నో డిసెండెంట్స్. ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ద హస్బెండ్ గెట్ 1/2. ఇఫ్ ద చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ప్రొపాసిటస్, ద వైఫ్ గెట్ హౌ మచ్? The wife, then the husband may get 1/4.
1/4, sir.
So like that, each one చూద్దాం మనం. Suppose the wife is there, sister is there, son's daughter is there, sons are there. Then what is the point? Who will be excluded? Who will be included? Who will become a residuary? And when you will not become a residuary, even a father become a residuary when there is no children. When the child is there, father will get only the legal hairs, Quranic hair. So we will see ఒక్కొక్క పర్మిటేషన్ కాంబినేషన్ తీసుకుని then we will check it what is what and what is what in the pictorial form so that you could understand it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now this is the thing which I want to share with you in the today class. And what is the other thing which I want to? Here there is another problem question I have given, and if you do like that also you will understand. But the one thing there, you should have the knowledge. How much you will get? Children is there, how much you will get? No child is there, how much you will get it? If the father is there, how much you will get it? Father is not there, how much you will get it? Let us see the another problem so that we can still we do have some time with us. The propositress leaves behind her husband, father as her legal heirs. Then the allotment of share to each heir is given below. So propositor left with whom? What? Propositress means the wife died,
Deceased.
husband is there, and father is there, but no children is there. So now let us see that husband will get 1/2 without children. If the children are there, husband will get 1/4. Then father become a residuary without child, because the children are there, then father become a residuary. Let us see how it becomes residuary. In the absence of the children, the father ceases to be a sharer. The father will ceases to be a sharer and becomes a residuary. Residuary get the residue, the property which remains after giving the sharers. So after the leaving to the husband, how much the property would be left over there?
Sir?
How much? After giving the
Half.
Quranic share to the husband, how much the property is left over there?
Half. 1 minus half is half.
1/2.
Half, sir. 1/2.
The property remains after giving the sharers, thus the respective shares of the husband, the father are under. Husband get 1/2. Then father 1/2. అంటే 1 తీసేయండి, 1 half తీసేయండి, 1/2 వస్తుంది. The sum total is half. Then become property is 1. Then property is exhausted. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
అయితే దిది సంగతి. When the no son would be there for the propositors, then the father becomes residue. If the son is there or children is there, son or children, ఏమన్నారు అక్కడ, becomes a residuary. If the absence of children అన్నాడు, children అన్నాడు. Children అంటే సన్ అన్న కావచ్చు, డాటర్ అన్న కావచ్చు. ఓకే ఓకే says
Sir. Yes, sir.
ఓకే. నౌ ఇట్ ఎనీ టైమ్ ఇప్పుడు ఆగిపోతుంది లేదు, థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా చూడే వరకు ఆగిపోతుంది మధ్యలోనే. బట్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ దట్ టుమారో. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అసైన్మెంట్ టు యూ. ఏది సార్ ఇక్కడనే రాసింది కాదు సార్, ఇంకేం అసైన్మెంట్ సార్, మీరు ఆన్సరే రాసేసిండ్రు అక్కడ. ఇంకే అసైన్మెంట్ ఏమున్నది, ఏముంది ఇక్కడ, నథింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్ అసైన్మెంట్. సి మదర్ షేర్ ఈజ్ దేర్. ఏ సున్నీ ముస్లిం డై బిహైండ్ ద లివింగ్ ఏ మదర్ అండ్ 2 sisters and father. The respective shares are given under mother 1/6, ఎందుకంటే 2 sisters ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి, అండ్ ఫాదర్ రెసిడ్యూరీ వితౌట్ చిల్డ్రన్ కాబట్టి ఫాదర్ రెసిడ్యూ అయిపోయింది. 2 sisters ఎక్స్క్లూడెడ్ బై ఫాదర్, ఎందుకంటే ఫాదర్ ఇస్ ఎ నియర్ రిలేటివ్. సో ద 2 sisters ఏమవుతారు, ఆటోమేటిక్ ఎక్స్క్లూడెడ్ బై ఫాదర్ అవుతారు. So in this illustration, it is noted that the mother share is reduced to the 1/6 in the presence of 2 sisters. Sisters అయితే మదర్ షేర్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. అదే మరి సిస్టర్ ఉన్నారనుకోండి, ఫాదర్ షేర్ ఏం కాదు, వాళ్ళ సిస్టర్స్ వాళ్ళే ఎక్స్క్లూడెడ్. సెకండ్లీ, దెర్ ఆర్ నో చిల్డ్రన్ చైల్డ్ సన్ హౌ లో ఎవర్ ప్రపోజిటర్, ద ఫాదర్ ఈజ్ ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ ఎ రెసిడ్యూరీ. అక్కడ ఫాదర్ రెసిడ్యూరీగా కింద ట్రీట్ అవుతారు. థర్డ్లీ, ద 2 sisters themselves have been excluded from the inheritance in the presence of father. కాబట్టి ఫాదర్ ఉండే కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ అయిపోతారు. ద మదర్ షేర్ ఈజ్ 1/6. ఆఫ్టర్ గివింగ్ ద మదర్ ద రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాపర్టీ 5/6. 1లో 1/6 తీసేయండి, 1లో 1/6 అంటే 5/6. దిస్ 5/6 రెసిడ్యూ గో టు ద ఫాదర్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద shares are here. Mother is 1/6, father is 5/6. The 2 sisters nil. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
2 sisters of whom propositors. ఇక్కడ propositors మేలా ఫీమేలా అండి?
Female, sir.
Yes. Mother has a given, no. A Sunni Muslim dies leaving behind a mother. Why a Sunni